everyone, welcome back. Today we'll render a clean isometric product shot in D5 Render, focusing on translucent polycarbonate material. I've placed this 3D model and set the scene with lighting. Let's start with metal structure. I'm looking for a white powder-coated finish. Let's modify this material. Adjust specular and metallic to 0. Avoid reflection. Change the background color to bright red. The model pops up. Increase roughness. Avoid white background. It kills depth. Apply white to the inner box. Limit color bleeding for all the materials. Now, let's get to polycarbonate sheet. After applying the material, adjust specular and opacity. Set opacity to 0.11 and refraction to 1.5. Polycarbonate is not fully transparent like glass. It is translucent. It lets light pass through but diffuses it with soft glow. Try out different colors, add shadows, and keep a clean background. And that's it. You've created a clean isometric model with realistic polycarbonate. Thanks for watching.